Alright, so here we're going to be making some rocket fins, and we're going to experiment with a few different types to see what works. So we'll go ahead and start out by creating a new file. Let's go ahead and save it, and I will name it rocket fins, and then include my name, so Aiden. Alright, we'll go ahead and save, and let's go ahead and start by making our sketch. So green plus button, we'll choose the blue and red axis plane, and then let's start by making a rectangle to constrain the size of our fin. So we'll go to create rectangle, center rectangle. We'll click, and we'll click in the center, and then we'll drag it out 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches. So I'll go ahead and type 2.5 inch, tab on your keyboard, 2.5 inches. Alright, then we'll hit enter. Let's repeat that process. So we'll go up to create, rectangle, center diameter rectangle, and I'm going to move out about 100 millimeters here. So I'll go ahead and put it in 2.5 inches, then hit tab, and then again 2.5 inches, and then hit enter. Alright, so now we got two of our rectangles. Let's make one more. So we'll go create, rectangle, center rectangle. We'll move out here and then click. Let's do 2.5 IN, and then hit tab on your keyboard, and then 2.5 IN. Alright, so for this first fin, I'm going to go ahead and just make it a triangle. So I'm going to do the line tool and then click from this outer corner down to this bottom corner. And then specifically what I want to keep is this right here. So for this next one, we're going to make more of a classic looking rocket fin. So I'm going to choose my line tool to set some constraints. So I'm going to start in the top corner, going down, and we'll bring it down 1.5 inches, and then click, and then let's go ahead and choose the line tool again. We'll start in this bottom corner going up, and we'll go up 0.5 inches, and then click. Alright, and then I'm going to connect those two lines. So I'll do one line from the top of both of those lines together, then one more line from the bottom of those lines together. And then what I want to turn into my final model is this. Alright, and then lastly we're going to make kind of a Pizza Hut symbol. So I'm going to start from this top corner down to the bottom corner. Then I want it to go from the bottom corner up 1.5 inches. And then click. And then again we'll choose the line tool. We'll start in this top corner. We'll go over to the left 1.5 inches. Now I want one last line between those 2 points. So click, click, and we'll select. So what we're keeping is this trapezoid shape right here. So we'll go ahead and finish sketch. And then let's extrude those. So we'll choose the extrude tool. Then select those three surfaces I've already showed you guys. Then we're going to extrude them 0.15 inches because that's the thickness of our balsa wood or acrylic. Alright, so 0.125 inches. Then we'll click OK. And then I'm going to show you guys how to save these to cut them on the laser. So we'll save first. And then I'm going to go up to File. Then we'll do New Drawing with the arrow, From Design. So new drawing from design, and then over here where it says sheet size, I want to set that to the second A4 size. Then we will go ahead and keep the rest of the settings and click OK. Alright, and you'll see a miniature version of your fins on this engineering drawing right here. So I want to make those full size. So over here where it says scale, switch this to 1:1 instead of 1:5. So we want 1:1, so this is the actual size of our fins on a piece of paper. I'll get it adjusted and then click. The rest of these settings we can go ahead and keep as is, but you may want to play with these later. We'll go ahead and click OK. Then we need to delete all of the extra information here. So I'm going to select this outer border, then right click and do delete. Then I'm going to select this information, right click, delete. And then we'll export this PDF. Uncheck the line weights box. Then click OK. And then let's go ahead and name it Rocket Fins. and you want this saved as a PDF. Then we'll go ahead and hit save, and that's about it. Looks like we're good. Awesome job, guys.